In this video, I'm going to show you how to set out of office automatic replies in Outlook Mobile. So open up Outlook on your mobile, and then over here, click on the profile icon at the top left. Click on settings at the bottom left. And then over here, scroll down until you see automatic replies right here. Click on it and then enable it. And now you can set up a time range which you want the automatic replies to work. Just click on reply within a time range and then turn it on and then set the start time and time. And then there's some other settings here you can mess with. And over here you can set who to reply to. And to actually compose the reply, the automatic reply, click on reply to everyone with. And here is where you actually type in the reply. So maybe something like out of office. Something like that. And that's it. So now we go back and it's set. So we can click save changes when we go back, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.